everybody, we're cooking tonight. Here we are in Valencia at the nice apartment here at Marpa's, and Maurice is cooking dinner. What's up for dinner?
Hello everybody! So tonight we're gonna cook some green beans with sausage.
Yeah.
This is gonna be for dinner. So I'm gonna show you our ingredients. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put you down because I can't show you. Okay. We have 1 kilo of organic fresh green beans. We picked this up last Sunday at the market
And here comes my favorite.
here in Valencia. So it's gonna be good.
And here comes my favorite.
And we have 2 different kind of organic sausage, and it's we picked this up also right here in Marpa's store, and this is from Dumaguete Organic Meat. So it's a breakfast pork sausage, and it's Italian sausage. So
That looks really good. I really like that Natural Meats.
yeah, it looks
It's a
really
great
good.
company. It's good service here too.
Yeah, it smells
Yeah.
good right now. It's like in coffee.
Yeah, you just have to go to the store right here at the front office, and they got it
Yeah,
for
they
you.
have a lot of stock right here at Marpa's store.
Yep,
They have big refrigerator and full of sausage and bacon.
all kinds of natural meat.
Yeah.
Canadian bacon too.
A Canadian bacon, British bacon. Yeah, so just go over there and get some.
And here comes the good
And we have, what is this, Brie?
onion.
Very
We have
good.
1 head of onion and 1 bulb of, what's this? Garlic.
That's a lot of garlic, huh? But it's very healthy for you. Helps clean your blood.
And
What do you got there?
We're gonna use some butter.
Is that good natural butter or
This
what?
is good natural butter too.
All right.
And we're gonna use some coconut oil, some black pepper, but since it's supposed to be ground black pepper, but we don't have it, we have only this
Peppercorn.
peppercorn. So I crush it a little bit already, and we're gonna use some salt. Okay, now the first step we're gonna do is boil the green beans. Okay, now let's go put the green beans to the water right here.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I don't want to wait when it boils. That's close.
And we're gonna boil this for at least 45 minutes and until the green beans is cooked, and we're gonna keep checking it if it's already soft. So you can tell if it's cooked already. So
Yeah.
we're gonna cover it up. Okay, let's go wait for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, now the green beans has been boiling for 45 minutes, so it's done. See? Okay, I'm gonna turn this off and rinse it. There we go. Take this juice away. And I'm gonna set this aside, and I'm gonna cook the garlic and the onion in the other frying pan. Okay, let's go start this. And put the coconut oil. Put like 3 tablespoons. Now the oil is hot. I'm gonna put this ground black pepper because we don't have those pepper. So I crushed this already. So here we go. And I'm gonna put the onion and the garlic. There you go.
Hey everybody, so while we're waiting for Maurice to finish cooking, I'm going to introduce you to a friend of ours from the UK, and I've known for a while. I really like him. He's a great guy, Jeff, and I wanted him to introduce himself and tell you about what he's doing.
Yes. Hi, John. Well, I'm Jeff, and I was a subscriber of yours, of course. I'm the owner of Purple Planet Music, and we do music for YouTubers all around the world. And it was actually watching one of the videos where our music was used that I sort of developed this plan to move to the Philippines, and now I'm here and loving it. I was, of course, an ordinary subscriber of yours, watching your videos, watching you, Maurice, Bria, back in February in northern England in the cold and snow, and thought, well, I'd quite like that sort of life, and here I am, and it's odd to meet you in real life and to be here, because this is only a scene I've seen, you know, on video on YouTube. So it really is like meeting the Beatles, honestly.
We had a lot of fun meeting Jeff and getting to know him over the last couple of months. It's been really fun, and there's so much that he's doing that we actually have investigated his music and are planning to use some of his music in some of our future videos, which is really, really cool. So traveling and doing YouTube is really exciting, and he's beginning his own journey on this, and he'll be producing his own videos in the future.
Purpleplanet.com, it's quite easy to find on Google, yes. And if you want free music for YouTube videos, channels like John's, then that's the place to go.
And they have quite a bit to select from. We've gone through it. It looks really good. So he's with us tonight. He's our guest. We're going to share some of our meal with him.
Okay, now the onion and the garlic, it's done. See, it's cooked. So I'm going to put the sausage right here. There you go. And I'm going to mix it together. Looks good. Look at that. And let's cook it for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna add some vinegar right here in the green beans. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna store it.
It's very healthy to add some vinegar. Nice.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Now I'm gonna mix this one. This one looks very good. I think I'm gonna put the green beans here together. Okay, I'm gonna add the green beans right here with the sausage, and I'm gonna mix it together. There we go. And let's go mix it together.
That looks really good.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna add some salt. Just a sprinkle of salt. Maybe 1 teaspoon. Okay, that's it. And let's go cook it for another 10 minutes. And it's gonna be done. Okay, I'm gonna add some butter for flavoring. We're gonna cut this. There we go. That's gonna be good.
That's gonna be really nice with the rice. That's gonna be really good, tasty.
And I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Look at that. The butter, milk.
All the B vitamins and the nice beans and the protein and the you're getting natural meats.
Okay, I'm gonna check, and I think it's done. So let's see. There we go. Look at that. We're gonna do one more mix. And it's ready to plate it. So let's turn this off. There you go. There's your dinner.
Looking forward to this. Thank you, Reese. Wow.
So enjoy your dinner.
Oh, it's delicious. Congratulations to the chef. Wonderful.
Success. Jeff likes it. Yeah. Now I'm going to have some for me. Woohoo!
So here's for
Is that for me?
John, yeah.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm starving. I'm starving. Bria next.
Yeah. Bria next. Me last.
Okay.
The chef is always last.
All right, I'm going to try this dish. I haven't really tried this one exactly before. It's a little bit different with two kinds of sausage. I like it. I like the two kinds of sausage, all the green beans and vitamins. The final dish is called green beans and sausage. Two kinds of sausage, Italian sausage and breakfast sausage, right?
Yeah, so it's simple dish, so go ahead and make it. And I taste it already, it's really good.
Okay, it looks pretty healthy to me. So have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye. What do you want to do right now?
Play hide and seek.
No way. I'm not doing it. I'm too old to play hide and seek. I'm not going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. I think she's over here. Okay, I'm gonna find that one. You little monkey!
Got you.
Hey, you got me, okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think he's behind the curtains. Is he behind the curtains?
Oh no.
I know you're behind the curtains. Come on, you're just $60.
I'm just $60 years old.